Today, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Klaviyo. This is a really useful skill if you've already designed a custom email template outside of Klaviyo and want to use it in your campaigns. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your browser and head over to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Klaviyo dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing activities. Now that you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Content. This section houses all your email templates, forms, and other creative assets. From the Content menu, click on Templates. This is where all your saved email templates live and where you'll be importing your new HTML template. On the right side of the templates page, you'll notice an import button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the import options, giving you a few different ways to bring in your template. For our purposes today, click on Paste HTML. This option allows you to directly paste your custom HTML code rather than uploading a file, which makes the process quick and straightforward. Next, you'll see a field where you need to input a template name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily find this template later when you're building campaigns. Below that, you'll find a larger text box. This is where you'll paste your HTML email template code. Copy your HTML code from wherever you've saved it and paste it into this box. Once everything is in place, click Import Template. Klaviyo will now process your HTML and convert it into a usable email template within the platform. After the import is complete, you'll want to make sure everything looks correct. Click on Email Saved to preview your newly imported template. This preview shows you how your email will appear to recipients, allowing you to check that all your images, text, and formatting came through properly. If anything looks off, you can always go back and edit the HTML or make adjustments directly in Klaviyo's editor. And that's it. You've successfully imported your HTML email template into Klaviyo and can now use it in any of your email campaigns or flows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.